And that is my wash and go, honey. I love it. I love it. This is my go-to style. I usually wear my hair in a wash and go when I'm pretty lazy and I really don't want to do nothing to it. So if you like this video and you want me to do more wash and goes using different products, comment below, let me know. So today I'm going to do my wash and go. My hair is freshly washed. There is no product on my hair at this moment. I didn't use this product for a wash and go. I used it for a previous braid out that's on my channel. If you want to take a look, it's linked in the description box. Also, I'm going to use Eco Style Gel. Y'all, this is godsend. I've been hearing reviews. I've been hearing things about the Extreme Gel, I think it's called. Definitely have to purchase me some of that and try wash and go with that product as well. But now we're just gonna get started. So this is my hair. I'm gonna leave this side twisted and we're just gonna start on this side. So I'm gonna put it in 2 sections. If I can find my comb. Got it. Hair is kind of dry now. I'm just gonna take a water bottle. It just has water in it. I'm gonna re-wet it because I want the products to really penetrate my hair. I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. Get some moisture back in it. I'm going to take this leave-in conditioner and apply it to that whole section. Of course, making sure I get my ends and my roots. Still giving Cantu a try. I think I'm still a Shea Moisture girl, okay? But you know, your hair is always changing. Sometimes your hair gets used to a product and you don't get the same results anymore, and you have to switch up. All right, after that, we're gonna take the Eco Style Gel and we're just gonna put some in my hand, about that much. Rub it together. Put it all over that section. Use the praying hand method. Sure you get your roots as well. You don't want those roots all puffy. It feels kind of nasty. My hands feel nasty, and my hair is soft. It's still soft. How this turns out. So I'm going to move to this top portion and I'm going to separate this portion into 2. Following the same steps. front portion of my hair has a looser curl pattern, very loose curls. Wash and goes are very easy. It doesn't take long to do. Depending on how fast your hair dries or soaks up the product, it may be an overnight thing. I prefer not to use heat. So I prefer to put my hair in a pineapple instead of using heat. And it's usually dry by the morning time. Make sure you get those roots. In the front, I like to take my hand and kind of pull it together to make sure it curls. One half of my hair looks right now. I'm going to go off camera and do this side, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back, and the product is all in my hair. Y'all, I don't know how I feel about this. So my hair is still soft. I like the curls. I'm experiencing some frizz already on this side. I'm unsure of how this is gonna turn out, but we will see. So I'm gonna put some more gel on the front of my hair. Brush that back. As I said before, the front of my hair is very stringy. It's a loose curl pattern, so I do scrunch my hair up. My hair up. I'm going to put it in a pineapple and go to bed and see how this turns out in the morning. So to do that, I dump my hair over. Put my hair in a ponytail like so. Then I'm going to apply my scarf. Like so. Now the ponytail holder I do not keep in my hair. You just take that off. And this is how I sleep. So now I'm all ready for bed. I am done. Hair is tied up. I will see y'all in the morning. Good morning. So let's see how this turned out. Oh my God. Shake it out. Okay. First impressions, it is very crunchy. So it's very crunchy. Oh, the curls are popping, honey. The curls, the definition is great. It's great. Let's see if we can doctor this up a little bit. Let me get a blow dryer and some oil, and I'll be right back. I got my oil. Remember, this is a mixture of olive oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil in this bottle. And I also got my Revlon ceramic 1875. I'm going to put this on high, but at the cool setting. So right here we have off, low, and high. Then we have cool, warm, and hot. So I'm going to keep this on cool, and I'm going to turn it on high. And I'm going to blow dry this side of my hair because it's still wet. All right, so it is dry. We're gonna take some oil, put it in our hands, put it in my hands, and I'm just going to apply it to my hair like so to get the crunch out. Oh, you know we gotta fix them edges too. Don't even worry about that, baby. Cause they are slick. When I say slick, they are slick. They ain't moving. They are not moving. So. My type of thing is I like my hair on the side. I don't really like the middle part. So take some more oil and get this part because it is extra crispy. Shrinkage is real. It is real, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So I won't be stretching my hair. I'm just gonna let it drop over time. It's sitting right here on my shoulders. But you could, if you wanted to, you could take the blow dryer and leave it on the cool setting and just pull your hair a little bit and blow dry it. I don't have frizz. I am shocked that I don't have frizz. But this is, look at that. Look at that curl. Look at these, look at that. Baby, every strand is defined, okay? And I am loving it. So let's get these edges right. also like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.